evening, everyone. This is David with Bolivar Live. Well, I tell you what, we're going to have a little power outage here on Bolivar Peninsula, and I'm going to try and pull up another picture so that you can see what it looks like, or what it looked like, and why they're having to make this repair. And this is when we had storms come through earlier today. And I'm looking for the picture here so I can get it loaded up. We had some lightning here, and we had some major damage on Bolivar on several of the, in fact, it came up and it's not supposed to. Let me get it set, and I'll show you what it looked like. But we had some damage here, and we needed to they needed to fix it, and so they're going to make the repairs this evening after midnight. I mean, after 11 o'clock. And so let me get this picture up here to fit to the screen, and we'll go to it real quick so that you can see what we're talking about. But there was some damage to a pole. Lightning struck it, and there you can see what it looks like. Sorry, I didn't have it loaded, so I had to load it, but that's what it looked like. And lightning strike, probably a little bit of everything, but they need to get this fixed. In fact, the trucks are just showing up now, and so I wanted to show you what they're up against, and they've done a lot of groundwork. In fact, I made a post earlier about this, and they were here working, doing some pre-work, I guess you could say. And when I just got back out here 20 or 30 minutes ago, I saw some Entergy trucks running around the peninsula, and looks like they're bringing in the big boys now. But let me get to that. There you can see two more trucks have shown up. And so you can sort of see what's going on out here. And I doubt you can see at the top of the pole, but if you look right in between the two trucks, about the center of the page, you can see a pole going up. And if you look real hard, you can see a fire up there, and it's still burning a little bit. And so we got some rain here as I was coming back up. I went to the house. I was actually out in High Island gonna shoot the sunset with Coastal One, but it got blocked, and then we had some trouble with the internet, and it just hadn't been a good evening. But we're back here now, and we always let you know what's going on. And so I've got it in the write-up, but wanted to let you know what they sent me, and then they also emailed this out. A utility pole was, and this is from Jim Malain, the spokesperson. In fact, I started talking to him about 6 o'clock, 6:15, I think, this evening on this matter. He let me know that he had just got a call from dispatch, and that something was going on, but they didn't know what yet. And they thought they might be able to fix it some other way, but they couldn't, I guess. And so he's kept us informed. Entergy's done a great job keeping us up to date on this matter. Like I said, I've been on the phone with Jim Malain since about 6:15 talking about this. They had to get the crew together. Poor Alvin, if he's down here, been working all day. In fact, all these guys probably have. But his statement said, a utility pole was struck by lightning as storms passed through our area earlier today. This damage resulted in an outage affecting customers on the western end of Bolivar Peninsula, and I can vouch for that because it went out about 9:30 at my house in Milts and came on, I think, 11 or 11:30, I'm not sure when. But Entergy crews were able to temporarily restore power while preparing to replace the damaged equipment. In order to safely make the permanent repairs, crews will need to de-energize the lines beginning at 11 p.m. tonight, with the interruption in service lasting potentially up to 6 hours. We apologize for any inconvenience this outage may cause. I want to thank Jim Malain, like I said, for keeping us informed, letting us know, just like during Burl, we had a phone call every morning, every afternoon. I mean, it was phenomenal, and plus text back and forth. And so when I know during Burl, when I called him and said, Jim, we've got to get a gas truck in. Keith's waiting to call them, but we've got to get these lines moved. In 2.5 hours, 2 hours, the truck showed up. And he said, take a picture of it, send it to me, and tell me where it is. And so I went down there, did that. And so I want to thank Entergy Texas for really upping the game on their communication here lately. They've done a great job letting people know, sending emails out, you know, as quick as they can and as early as they can. And so just wanted to let everyone know, probably here in about 30, 40 minutes, 39 minutes to be exact, I think, you're probably going to lose power. And me personally, I don't work for Entergy. I think they'll get it done quicker than 6 hours, because these guys, they've already done a lot of the groundwork. They're out here now, and so I don't think it'll take 6 hours, but maybe it will. But these guys, I tell you what, they're on their game. And so want to thank all the Entergy personnel that's out here working, that worked all day repairing. I know they had lines down on Bolivar. We had the power outage on the western end of Bolivar Peninsula. So everything's happening, and we're really just getting back good from Burl. I think we're still doing some little things, you know, that Burl caused. But want to thank Entergy Texas, one, for taking care of this tonight, because we do have some more weather coming in tomorrow morning. I think it'll be over, you know, like it was today, more or less early, maybe a little earlier than today. And actually the weekend, the rain chances lighten up last I checked. And so I'm hoping that stays on. But for those of you that are just joining us, we're going to have a power outage about 11 p.m. tonight. It could last up to 6 hours. And this is a picture I took earlier today, actually about 6:30, I think. As soon as I got a call, or called Jim and said, hey, is this going to happen? Because I'd heard rumors. He said, I just got a call from dispatch, perfect timing. So I ran out and took a picture because I wanted to show you what they're up against. But like I said, they've done a lot of preliminary work already. And so that probably is not what it looks like right now. I think some of the other wires have been moved, but this has wires up top, the main lines, and then also some below. And so you can see the smaller pole there on the side, but this is what they're fixing tonight. And so I'm sure, thinking they'll probably do a pole replacement. Maybe they've got some other way to fix it. But want to thank Entergy for taking care of it, because of what we have coming in tomorrow. And that's what they're doing it for, is because of the weather we've got coming in tomorrow and then predicted for Wednesday. So anyway, just want to let y'all know, it going out at around 11 p.m. tonight, could be up to 6 hours. Entergy's working to take care of Bolivar Peninsula. I want to thank Jim Malain once again, and everyone at Entergy that's making this happen and caring about it, knowing we have the weather coming in tomorrow, wanting to get it fixed now, tonight. And it's better to fix it tonight than it is tomorrow, when all the businesses are open and it's raining and lightning out. They can't work in the lightning. And so, you know, want to thank them for doing it tonight, when we've got won't be as hot in the house if you don't have a generator to keep your house turned on. So anyway, hopefully by 5 o'clock tomorrow morning, hopefully 3 o'clock, but they're saying 5 o'clock it could last up to 6 hours, and so that'd put it about 5 o'clock tomorrow morning. But we'll keep you posted, either through live feeds or posts on our social media, especially Facebook, especially if we make just a post. A lot of times it just goes out there. So anyway, we're gonna head on out. We'll see you. Just enjoy the dark while you can tonight. take you a good sleeping nap all night and wake up tomorrow morning with the power on. We're gonna head on out. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us, come explore Bolivar Peninsula for Labor Day weekend 2024. Until next time, excuse me, God bless and bye-bye.